Hey you guys, today we are making cornbread dressing. So stick around, this is perfect for Thanksgiving, the holidays, and Christmas. These are some of the ingredients that we'll be using. I will have the ingredients and the measurements below. So it's a little bit of cornmeal, flour, buttermilk, 2 eggs, baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and butter. So I'm just going to add the dry ingredients first, and then mix those around. Make sure everything is incorporated really well. And then I'm going to add my wet ingredients, my butter, buttermilk, eggs, and then stir all that together. And then make sure everything is mixed really well. I'm gonna beat it till it's smooth, but you will still have some small lumps in there from the cornmeal, so it doesn't have to be like the consistency of cake batter. Just make sure it's mixed really well. And then I'm gonna bake this. I think I baked it on 400. I'll put the exact information in the description box, but I baked this cornbread. I greased a cast iron skillet. So I put a little bit vegetable oil in there, and then just kind of make sure so nothing sticks. Baked it for 35 minutes, no 30 minutes. So I'm gonna pour this in there, bake it for 30 minutes until it's golden brown. Our cornbread, it's golden brown. I'm going to set it out. I'm going to actually break it up so that it can cool, and I'm going to leave it uncovered sitting out most of the day after I break it up. I'm just looking kind of dry out. I think that cornbread that's dried out is a little bit better in my opinion. So I'm going to let this sit out most of the day. You can leave it out overnight if you like. And then I'm going to cut my veggies. I'm using celery, bell pepper, onion, and garlic. I'm going to chop these kind of medium small. You want to make sure you cut everything kind of the same size. So I'm going to do that. Maybe about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a pan on low. I'd say maybe a 3 if you have a gas stove like I do. And I'm going to saute these until they're kind of soft, until the onion is translucent basically. I'm not going to add my garlic just yet. I'll add my garlic maybe the last minute or so. So just gonna stir those around, and it probably took me about, I'd say 7 minutes, 8 minutes to get them soft on a low temperature. I don't want to fry them too hard, but just gonna saute these, and then in the last minute I'll add in the garlic here. Alright, so I'm gonna add in my garlic, and then I'm gonna let that cook for about a minute, and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook down for another 5 minutes or so with the lid on there. Alright, so here's everything you're going to need. Your cornbread, your turkey meat from a previous video, butter, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and sage, 2 eggs beaten. You're also going to use some butter and your broth. So I'm just adding everything in with the exception of the egg and the salt. I'm going to add all the ingredients except those two. I'm just gonna mix everything in and then add my seasonings and hold off on adding the salt. You want to just remember that your broth that from a previous video is salted and seasoned well. So you just want to incorporate all the seasonings and stir everything. And then we are going to add in our broth. I'm going to start with about 3 or 4 cups and then mix things through. And then I'll go in and taste as I go to see what I need to add more of. And so I'm adding my broth in, and then I'm going to give it another stir. And then I see that I did want to add a little bit of salt, so I'm going to add some salt. I would start maybe with half a teaspoon and then taste as you go. Have your tasting spoon just to see how you like it. And you do want your mixture to be a little loose because it is going to solidify, so you want to make sure that it's has enough liquid in there. All right, so after I've tasted everything and I like it, I am going to add in my egg and then stir everything together. So you can use a baking dish if you like. I'm using this because I'm giving this to a couple of people. So I'm gonna grease my pans with some vegetable oil so nothing sticks. And I'm gonna pour in my dressing into my pans and just give it a little pat. I'm gonna bake these on 400 for about 40 minutes. So after they've baked for 40 minutes, I'm going to take the foil off and let them bake for another 10 minutes. And here they are, golden brown, good looking, set and cool. You know you got to have the good cranberry sauce in a can. I like ocean spray. It goes perfectly with the dressing. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please let me know if you tried it, how it turned out. It's one of my favorite holiday sides. Let me know what's yours. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.